Welcome, in front of me is Honor for 100, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't access your device because it doesn't recognize your lock screen pattern. So in such case the best solution would be to give it a couple of tries and try to remember the pattern that you successfully entered the last time you accessed your device. And if you really can't do that, then the other solution for you would be to reach out to Honor customer support service and tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most likely help you out solving this problem and letting you regain access to your device without a need to remove any personal data or personal information from your phone. But if you tried already and it didn't work for you, or you know that it wouldn't work for you, then the only solution remaining is to perform a factory reset on your device or simply erase all data from it. So if you have Find My Device feature enabled by your Google account, or if you have Find My Device feature enabled by your Xiaomi account on your phone, then you can log in to one of these accounts using any other of your devices and select this on a smartphone and choose to erase all data from it. And once you do that, you will be able to regain access to your phone once the factory reset is complete. But if you feel that this isn't for you, or maybe you don't have Find My Device feature enabled on your phone, then you can perform a factory reset yourself locally. To do that, you simply have to access the recovery mode and erase your data from your phone, all data from your phone locally. And if you're not sure how to do that, we have an entire tutorial video on our channel. So if you feel interested, go check it out. And this will definitely help you. And for me, I think that's all I had to say. So I really hope that some advice that I gave to you today helped you. And if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.